Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another travel vlog and we're going to Cancun.
Can't afford you, but still it was lavishly upon you. It makes us love, it shines so bright upon you. I will be content, cause I know you would never fail me. Even when my knees are shaking, even when my heart is bleeding. Oh, valley, when I walk in the midst of the valley, my life's in the hands of my daddy. I'm already loved, I'm already chosen. Yeah. So for this life I know the goal, no. Cause me, I know this so lost my joy and I might body. To man and you are my provider. Yeah, you my provider. You are my provider. You my provider. Yeah.
Hi guys, so we just got into the rooms now. So this is the room I'm sharing with my siblings. I actually came on this trip with my parents and siblings, but my parents have their own room. So this is what ours looks like. We also have a balcony. The room was very cute. Really is giving. So good to be here. This is morning. Buenos dias.
Oh,
really? What do you say? Buenos dias. So guys, this is the bathroom. We have three long mirrors, 2 sinks. That's Ches over there trying to do her hair. So that's the this is like after one night, by the way, so our stuff are like on the sink and everything. And then that's the tub. But yeah, it looks very cute. It's very spacious and that's what I really like about it. Oh Ches, you look really good in this light. Do you want to say hi? I'm just going to get breakfast this morning. This is my fifth. So just something simple, basic for breakfast, and then when we start the day properly, then I'll do something else. But yeah, so don't have any other plans right now. Just going to get breakfast, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So my brother is at breakfast already and he said it's really good, so hopefully it's actually good and he's not just hungry. This is what vloggers do.
We're watching.
Yeah, and I'll tell them if the food is good. So guys, I just got, this is my fresh round. It's a breakfast buffet, so let's see if the food tastes good. It's nice. So guys, Ches and I, it'd be cooler, right? Yeah. Ches and I are going on a stroll around the resort. Just want to see what they have, like what's in the area. And yeah, but it's really pretty. It's so hot and so sunny. Do you want to get a drink or are you good right now?
Sure. What kind of drink?
Girl, yeah, this pina colada. Well, pictures here would be nice.
I'll get one here. And Cancun.
Trying to get sunburned. This is funny in the sun. That's it, yeah.
One banana magnet, okay, and one apple and one drink.
Hi guys, so today is day 2 of our trip. We actually left the resort today. Look, this place looks like Nigeria, sure. But anyways, left the resort, went on a mini tour, went to the Cancun sign. I didn't vlog a lot, but just enjoyed these few clips. yours? How's your? Good.
Awesome. I can't believe it.
Yeah, good. Hi guys, good afternoon. So we're currently on our way to lunch. It's raining a bit, so we're just waiting for the car to come and pick us up and take us to where we're going to have dinner. My makeup is looking nice. Let me show you guys my hair. It's giving. But yeah, so I just wait for the car to come. Hopefully it comes soon. That's chairs over there. This is my fit. So yeah, okay, there's a car coming, so hopefully we can get that. Which is that? Let's enter that one. He's going to drive up to the lobby and then turn back. Okay, bye guys. Good sir, just this one.
You're recording now?
Yeah. Good. Hi guys, long time no see. Actually, this is the same vlog, but anyway, today is day 5 of our trip. We're going for dinner tonight, and this is my outfit. So I just finished my makeup, and yeah, I'm ready for dinner. So it's currently like 5 p.m. so we're going to go take pictures, and dinner is at 6, and then we'll do that. But yeah, I love my makeup, love my dress, and yeah, I'm excited. I literally haven't vlogged like properly just because I've been doing a lot of stuff, and like I also don't want to keep carrying my camera around because it's a lot to carry. I'll put some clips and just some clips of what the resort also looks like, so you guys will know if you want to come here. It's a really nice resort, honestly, and I've had such an amazing time here. I'm so sad I have to leave in like 2 days because we're here for 7 days and today is already day 5, so tomorrow is our actual like last day, and then we leave on Tuesday morning. So yeah, but anyways, hi guys, so we just finished taking pictures. There, so now we're going for dinner. It's like 10 minutes. Should we start going for dinner now?
No, just like.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so we're just chilling by the pool. This is dark, so I didn't really want to vlog here. Let me show you my outfit.
Record me
So guys, we are going for dinner for Chez's 25th dinner part 1.
No, I said record me.
Oh, record. Okay.
Like, I want to
that's
walk.
here. So nice. Okay, let's go. Go, Chez.
Welcome. Hi, MTV. Welcome to my crib.
This is a restaurant, dear. So we're here tonight. This is the 6th restaurant we're trying. So the resort has like a lot of restaurants. They have about 10 restaurants, and like I just can't believe like everything is free. So like I literally eat and leave without paying, which is just very crazy. But yeah, it's so nice. So like all the restaurants have been like really nice. I've had such a great time in Mexico. we are in Playa del Carmen. I don't know if I said that. I didn't really get started, so I'm just gonna stop talking and I'll see you guys later.
Chicken breast. Caliente, 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 caliente.
Gracias.
Cochinita.
Gracias. Gracias.
¿Cómo?
Ya.
Sí, punto no. ¿Cómo? Hey.
Gracias. Gracias. Okay. What is that? That looks like
This is banana cream. Mommy, wait, no. Mommy, wait. Just wait. Just hold on. Hold on.
Mom, you can have it. Is it pudding? Isn't it? Ice cream pudding. Just finished dinner and Chess and I are going bowling right now. So hopefully we have a good time. So I'll see you guys when we get to the bowling alley. You just want to enter my video. Are they closed? Oh, they are open. Hi guys, good morning. So this morning I'm going jet skiing. I'm so excited because I've never been on a jet ski, but I'm looking scared because it just looks like crazy because you go really fast and everything. And yeah, anyways, I'm not really like, I never really do water sports. Like I can't even swim, but I mean I'm going to wear a life jacket and everything, so it's still very exciting and it's my first time and I'm doing it with my family. So yeah, it's going to be such a nice experience hopefully. But yeah, my camera's about to die, so I'll see you guys later, and I'm going to record with my phone because I don't take my camera there. But yeah, anyways, let's go jet skiing. Bye. Hi guys, so I'm going for lunch right now and this is my outfit. It's freaking hot, so I'll talk to you guys later. Gracias. Oh, that looks so nice. Wow, can we do that one more time, guys? Cheers.
It's very good. Chicken jack.
Thank you. Okay. Our last day here, we're leaving. Say bye. Yeah. Bye guys.